Alright guys, here's a quick update on my build here. Okay, of course we got the door panels all hooked up. Oh, not gonna need that no more. And we got the bass boost knob. Very nice. And back here we got the box, we're working on it. There's Davey Doo working on it right now.
Yeah.
And let me guys introduce you guys to the Platform 3 JP Special Edition subwoofer here. We got everything wired up right there. Alright. Right there. Got the Connect HC 2400. And I want to give a quick shout out to 704 Customs, Mike King. I want to give a shout out to you, buddy. My door panels. And we're just about done. Got the Toolmaker distribution block here. Got more of the sky high wire. And let me move this. Got my Hyphonics BRZ 2400.1D. But yeah, that's just a quick little update, guys, where we're at right now. We are almost completely finished with this bass car audio build up on Presnator. Stay tuned. There will be a follow-up bass video, so keep it tuned right here. And for now, this is PC Mentalist out, saying please rate, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Later, guys.